Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever seen an AI-generated video where the people look realistic, but their movements are jittery, strange, or just plain wrong? This is a common problem where AI struggles to create coherent and realistic motion over time. Researchers from Adobe and Georgia Tech are tackling this exact issue with a new framework called MoGAN. This first figure perfectly illustrates the problem. The top video has a lower error score according to the AI, but it clearly has ghosting and messy motion. In contrast, the bottom video has a slightly higher error score, yet its motion is much smoother and more coherent. This proves that the standard ways of training these models don't properly teach them what good motion actually looks like. So, how does MoGAN fix this? The key idea is to stop focusing only on the pixels and instead focus directly on the movement itself. Here's the clever part. They take the generated video and convert it into something called an optical flow map, which is basically a heat map showing how everything moves between frames. Then, they use a second AI, called a discriminator, to act as a motion referee. This referee's only job is to get really good at telling the difference between the motion from a real-world video and the motion from a fake, AI-generated one. It then gives feedback to the main video generator, essentially coaching it to produce more believable movement. This is a form of adversarial training where two AIs compete against each other to improve the final result. And the results are pretty stunning. In these side-by-side comparisons, you can see the original model at the top, a fast but flawed version in the middle, and the new MoGAN model at the bottom. The optical flow maps for MoGAN are visibly cleaner and more consistent, which translates to better motion in the final video. The table here confirms this with hard numbers, showing a dramatic boost in the dynamics degree and overall motion score. But what do actual humans think? The researchers also conducted a human preference study. As these charts show, people significantly preferred MoGAN's motion quality over both the original, slower model and the fast-paced model it was built on. Importantly, they also rated its visual quality higher, meaning the motion improvements didn't make the video itself look worse. So to recap, the MoGAN framework uses a dedicated motion referee AI to teach a video generator how to create much more realistic movement. This approach fixes the unnatural, jerky motion that plagues many current AI models, and it does so without sacrificing generation speed or visual quality. This is a major step towards AI that can generate not just beautiful images, but believable and dynamic scenes. While there are still challenges like handling complex 3D motion, this provides a practical path forward for creating faster and higher quality AI video generators for everyone. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.